How to remember drugs name easily? Pril ACE inhibitor, Zone steroids, Zide diuretics, Statin antihyperlipidemics, Mycin antibiotics, Vir antiviral drugs, Dine H2 blockers, Palm anxiolytics, Nivium neuromuscular blockers. This is the sign of blockers and this is the sign of inhibitors. Mycin antibiotics, Ide oral hypoglycemics, cephalosporins, Afil PDE type 5 inhibitors, phosphodiesterase inhibitors, Capon COMT inhibitors, Catechol O-methyl transferase inhibitor, Xylin MAO-B inhibitors, Serazilin, MAO monoamine oxidase inhibitors, LAL beta blockers, Sartan ARB blockers, angiotensin receptor blockers, Josin alpha blockers, Prazole PPIs proton pump inhibitors, Azole antifungals, Azepine dibenzazepine, carbamazepine and oxcarbamazepine, anti-epileptics, treatment of epilepsy, and these are sodium channel blockers. Azosin alpha 1 blockers, Bendazole antihelminthics, Cane local anesthetics, Cylin penicillins, Cyclin tetracyclines, Dipin dihydropyridines, calcium channel blockers. Fluoxacin fluoroquinolones, Formin bigonades, Glinide non-sulfonylureas, Gliptin DPP4 inhibitors, dipeptidyl peptidase 4 inhibitors, Glitazone PPAR beta inhibitors, Gravir integrase inhibitors, Epoxide podophylotoxins, Lucast leukotriene antagonist, leukotriene modifiers, montelukast, cefirolucast, MAB monoclonal antibodies, Metazolin nasal decongestants, Metazolin pseudoephedrine, oxymetazoline, etc. Navir protease inhibitors, Nidazole nitroimidazole, Olal beta blockers, Pinum carbapenems, platinum compounds, Prazole PPIs proton pump inhibitors, Pril ACE inhibitors, Pristine streptogramins, Quin aminoquinolones, chloroquinolones, antimalarial drugs, Rubicin anthracycline antibiotics, Sartan ARB blockers, Cetron 5-HT3 antagonist, serotonin antagonist, antiemetics, ondansetron, domperidone, and all this. Statins antihypolipidemic, HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors, Tican camptothecin topoisomerase 1 inhibitor, Stigmin acetylcholine esterase inhibitors, ACH esterase inhibitors. Thiazide diuretics, Thromycin macrolides antibiotics, azithromycin, clarithromycin, Tidine H2 antagonist, H2 blockers, ranitidine, cimetidine, Triptan 5-HT1D agonist, example sumatriptan, migraine treatment used, Zolamide CAI inhibitors means carbonic anhydrase inhibitors, Lutamide anti-androgens, Tropium anticholinergics, Profen NSAIDs non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, Barbital barbiturates, Tirol beta-2 agonists, Dronate bisphosphonates used in the treatment of osteoporosis, Cyclovir DNA polymerase inhibitors, Place kinase fibrinolytics, Fluran inhalation anesthetics, Parin IV anticoagulants, Simide loop diuretics, Col muscarinic agonist, Col carbachol, Onium curium neuromuscular blockers, Woodin NRTIS nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors, Promazine, Perazine, Phenarazine, Phenothiazines, prostaglandin PG analogs, Triptyline, Imipramine, these all are TCAs, tricyclic antidepressants.